VR Concept is a developer of a sovereign 3D engine, a multi-user platform designed for working with any 3D models in VR. The platform supports engineering BIM and support formats and is listed in the Russian software registry. It's used for locomotive design projects. An aviation engine is being implemented for engine design tasks, and top technical universities in the country are integrating training for engineering specialties. Participants in the process put on their VR headsets at their workstations, enter a shared virtual space, see each other, and interact with their project. As part of their internal digitalization strategies, oil and gas companies use VR Concept to import their BIM models, construction objects, and material inventories into VR. In this video, a BIM model of a chemical production facility has been loaded. We'll demonstrate the basic functions of VR Concept through this example. With a simple adjustment in the visual interface, we can set up valve and lever rotations or group objects to move them collectively, provided they share common geometry. Models can also be disassembled part by part or viewed as a whole. During model inspection, users can leave sketches or text annotations. Here, we noticed a pipe connection error, highlighted the issue, and left a note about it. Users can navigate to any annotation from anywhere in the VR project or rename it as needed. There are also designated points of interest, allowing us to preset teleportation points so that future users can jump directly to these areas without having to wander through the entire model. Additionally, VR Concept provides measurement tools for determining diameter, height, length, or distance from a point to the nearest plane. Movement can be done in flight mode or walk mode using teleportation, making it possible to realistically navigate each step. Our physics plugin brings rigid body dynamics to objects, applying gravity, friction, slide, and bounce forces to them. In this case, we've set up a technical process. For example, to disassemble this model, parts need to be removed in sequence. One component can't be moved until others are detached. This setup allows for realistic assembly and disassembly animation of a model or any of its parts using the visual interface. The demonstrated functions in this video, including movement annotations, sketches, and VR measurements, represent the core features of VR Concept. Adding rotational mechanics and rigid body physics through the visual interface is simple and does not require any programming knowledge. VR Concept, making VR accessible.